welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 22nd of February, Monday, the beginning of the last week of February expiry. We are also going to talk about how the success story of a candidate or a participant of RLTR Group of his 1 month here with us. He started with us on the 18th of February. So we're going to talk about how he made 6.41 lakhs with us. And also we are going to confirm the kind of profits that we made, 29,000 today, and give you a nutshell as to what has happened. So to begin with, firstly, let me just tell you where we went ahead with the position. Over here, today's position was actually taken here at the breakout, and we were very clear and precise about the targets that we are going to achieve. So our targets were achieved. Our buy price was pretty decent. It was at 315. We booked it around at 375. I got most of my participants to book it around 398. That was the target for the day, and that finishes it. And let me just quickly go ahead and see where the market is going to be reacting. Now remember, this is a particular zone that you need to be very, very concerned about. Below 35,473, we are going to see a lot of action here with Bank Nifty. And I'm looking at some huge targets here right at the bottom. All right. So over here, this is the first stage that where Bank Nifty, after it breaks 35,478, is where it is going to sustain itself. So these are the targets which have actually opened up, and I want to keep you posted that if we do not survive this level on Monday, this is where we are going to be heading for the expiry. But all what can happen here is Bank Nifty can actually take a U-turn over here, then again try to achieve its targets over here on the upside. If I'm looking at the upside, I'm looking at 36,500 once again. So this 1,000-point volatility is what I actually spoke to you guys yesterday on our video, that Bank Nifty usually makes, this 1,000-point movements on Fridays and Mondays, so that the premiums are not multiplied a lot in terms of percentages. So with that, my targets are pretty clear, that if Bank Nifty does not sustain 35,600 till 35,450, then we are going to look at the downside targets. If it is going to consolidate here on Monday and break itself up, then that is going to be another story. So keeping this in mind, these are going to be my levels. I'm having huge levels on Monday. We will see how the market is going to reacting. At this moment, SGX is already weak, so there is something cooking up over there. Now let's come to a point as to see what has happened here with this participant for the entire month. So the participant has joined us on the 18th, and he has made an entire January in green like all of us. He still had somewhere around 2 red days over here. That was a hit of somewhere around 1.3 and 1 lakh on last week, but this entire week he's in green. So today he as well made 35,000, so that's going to be added. So in a nutshell, he has made 6.41 lakh with a 10,000 subscription by live trading here with us. Is that possible? Do you want me to make your video the next week? You can ask that question for yourself. So if you want to make similar profits, please do visit www.rltrgroup.com. Join us on our live trading session on Monday. We start 9:15 every day and we rock the show. And also to let you know, if you want to see our consistency and some frequent updates, do join our free Telegram group that is being listed here below on the description. So we'll see you there with another video on Monday. Now, let me just tell you before I end the session is that Bank Nifty will actually spend a lot of more time here. All right. So you would need to know which levels are the ones that are going to be ticking for you. Remember, we made our profits here in CE, but the entire day over here, it was actually off PE. So remember, you need guidance. You need somebody to hold your hand. And if there is nobody, don't worry. RLTR Group here is with you. So we'll look forward to see you as a part of our live trading forum very soon. I wish you have a wonderful weekend. Please do share your love with your loved ones. We'll see you across in the next video. Jai Hind. Take care. Bye-bye from now. Bye-bye.